Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are installing another small mod on the 2022 GR86. So this application will work for any GR86 or BRZ 2022, 2023, any year after. So these LED bulbs that LASFIT sent out to me are for the reverse light. So when you're backing up, right on the bottom center of your car, it's going to have some amber lights for the reverse light, and we don't like those amber lights. They're really outdated, especially on a 2022. You'd expect it to be LED as an OEM part, but basically right down here, here's the light. The white part glows, and that's how people know you're reversing. So anyway, it's some easy clips. You guys just got to remove the 3 on the bottom right here, and you pop that panel up. Let's go ahead and install these. Alright guys, before we get started here, I'm going to show you what the OEM light looks like before you install the LEDs, and then we'll go ahead and install it and show you the final result. But here to show you guys what it looks like, we're going to go ahead and start the car. Alright, so you guys can see it's just yellow light, no LEDs down there. So we're going to go ahead and switch those out and make them nice and bright. Alright, so to get started, you just gotta go right underneath. I didn't even jack up my car. You can literally just lay down underneath or just even sit there and pop those clips out. It's not even that low of a clearance. But anyway, all we used was a trim removal tool. So this thing is specifically made to get clips out. I had it from my previous car. But yeah, got this thing out, or you guys can use a plastic trim removal tool. Those can work, and you can just pop the side of the clip out. We went ahead and took the 3 clips underneath out right here. Alright, you guys, once you get your clips out, it's going to look like this. Very, very easy to do. This is probably the easiest install I have ever done on a car. So you can either just bend it like this and take out your light bulbs, or you can just pop the whole thing off. You literally just tug on it and it pops off. And there you go. You got all the access in the world. Right up here you see the light bulb, the green and gray wire. You just got to twist those and pull them out. So very easy to do. Go ahead and unbox your LASFIT LED lights. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, by the way, I do have a link in the description down below and a discount code for you. So this is what they look like. Very nice looking LED lights. And yeah, so they're very easy to do. It's basically just going to go in there where you see that little whitish yellow bulb in there right now. That's where it's going to be. And those are going to go right in there like that. So once we twisted the bulbs and pulled these out, we're just going to literally pull the old bulbs out and slide these LASFIT ones into the same place. Literally the easiest thing you guys can do. Here's what the old one looks like, and then versus the new one, new and improved bright LED. The size difference is actually pretty noticeable. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and put that in and put the LED lights back into place. Alright, so we just plug those in. It's as easy as it gets. Did it on this side as well, and then now we're just going to go ahead and twist them back where they were before. Once it's all twisted in and all secured, you guys are good to put on that piece that we took off with the 3 clips. And then that's where the bulb is now, if you guys can see the difference. Alright, now for startup, testing these lights out. Let's see if they work. I hope they do. Alright. right, there we got the LED lights. You guys can definitely tell, even during the daylight, they're a lot brighter. We're going to close the garage for 10 seconds and start the car without dying, and see how bright they are with a dark area. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it looks. Anyway, I do have a link in the description down below for these LED lights. Anyway, if you guys are interested, hit the link in the description. Use my code REVOLVE10 for 10% off your order. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.